Welcome once again to GSM Guide. So today we have a Samsung phone, Samsung Galaxy 9. As you can see, it was hit very badly on here, as you can see on the top of the phone and on the bottom. Well, the most problematic here is that this screen was badly damaged, as you can see, and the touch function here is not working, as you can see. So to change the touch on the screen, it will be very expensive. So I will show you a quick around way how you can quickly access to your phone once again if you need to get access to your contact or some picture if you want. So let's put the phone aside here. So we will need a mouse, yes, a computer mouse, as you can, and also this little USB adapter, as you can see. So we will take this adapter, we put the mouse inside, and we plug it on the phone, and right away, as you can see, we have a mouse here, and now we have access to the phone, so we can use the mouse to get to access to our menus. As you can see here, we can go to the gallery, access to our pictures. We can also get access to any settings here to get back to our phone and get access to our phone as it was before, and back it up if you need it. Thank you for watching once again, and we will meet in another episode. Thank you.